ID and I'm dead ass serious. My 3 pieces of chicken the post eat ID and look there. My 3 pieces of me I fuck you up watch me on your dog shit. Watch me on your pussy. Me nah if you stab up the pussy and kill him. Me I kill the pussy and spin on my sister. Oh God. And then my 3 pieces of chicken ID and the pussy eat ID and
I told you to put it in the fridge.
Brown box like this. I'm gonna put it in a box plus wrap you up and put it in here so and it.
Oh God.
What? Your pussy, you come back as a pussy. Come back as a pussy. After you get my KFC chicken, big pussy post. Me a boil hot water, fuck up the post. Me 3 pieces of KFC chicken, and then the first time the pussy eat my chicken. So then me a boil hot water.
Give me back my money. There this is. Hey, so too long and more people are coming after me and I get through and I come out.
Has they don't have price on their receipt?
Give me fall, me go blood clot, me am. One corner. Hold this here, man. Keep it at any kind of fall, me come out and blood clot, me. Now hold up my time, brother.
Everybody KFC come back with them, you know. KFC come back with them, so the KFC open, you know, it have refill again. Bombard.